Hello. Hi.
Hello,
Hi, Tam. Good morning.
good morning.
All right. How are you today, Tam? Are you,
Yes,
are
I'm
you?
fine.
You're fine. Okay, that's good.
Yes, okay.
Is it cold? Because you're wearing a jacket. Is it cold?
Yes, it's rain today.
Ah, it's raining. It's raining. It's a bit hot right now, but it rained also. It rained heavily this morning too, but it's now hot here.
Yeah.
So it's cold in Vietnam now. All right, that's good. Sometimes it's good when it's cold, right? All right, so what did you do this morning? Damn.
Uh, this morning I read book and clean the house.
You read a book. What book did you read?
I wrote history
Oh,
and
history book. Your history book. Oh, wow. So you studied. You studied your lessons. Okay, that's
yeah.
good. I think you really like history. Oh, yeah. History is interesting, right? It's interesting.
Mm,
But you need to remember a lot of people and places and dates, right? You need to remember names of people and dates and places, right? You need to remember places, the name of places.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. I think you're good at memorizing things. Mm. Do you understand what I said? Okay, let me translate it so you better understand. I think you are good at memorizing things because in history you need to remember names of people, places, and dates.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, that's good. It's interesting, right? History is interesting. All right, so you also help with chores. You clean the house, right? You said you clean the house?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. I thought I can see something. All right. Wait a minute. All right. So you sent me your homework, right, Tam? So we will check your homework now. Wait a minute. I
Yeah.
can't click it. I can't click the video. Wait a minute. Oh, there. Okay, here. I'll share my screen with you. Can you see it now? Can you see the video?
Yes, I see.
You can. All right. So let's watch your video first. And it's about, let me check first. Your video is about the places in your city. You will describe them using adjectives. All right. So let's watch it now.
In Dagenham there is a waterfall named Lưu. This is a tourist destination with majestic white
Mm-hmm.
and clear beauty. The soft and whitening water of the waterfall creates an impressive landscape painting. The space around the waterfall is fresh and peaceful. The sound of flowing water blends with the chirping of birds.
All right. Let me listen again because I think there are two words that I didn't understand. I want to listen to it again. Let's have this.
In Dagenham there is a waterfall named Lưu. This is a tourist destination with majestic white and clear beauty. The soft and whitening water of
What is that? What's that?
and winding water
This one.
beauty. The soft and winding water of
What's that?
Soft,
Soft? Did you say soft?
soft,
Soft?
soft, soft,
Soft. The soft?
the waterfall
Wait a minute.
water of the soft and winding water
What's that? Waiting? The
yeah,
soft? The soft
waiting,
and
winding,
winding? What is it?
winding,
Can you type it?
winding,
Ah, winding. The soft and winding. Winding. Okay, water.
of the waterfall creates an impressive landscape.
That one, this one.
Impressive far creates
What's that? Quest? Did you say quest? What word
yeah,
is it? Quest? That one?
quest,
Ah,
mm,
creates. Creates. That's
create,
creates. Creates. That's why I didn't
create,
understand. Creates of water. Winding of water. Creates
an impressive
create,
landscape painting
landscape.
the space around the water
This one, this one.
space around the waterfall the space around the waterfall is fresh and
Uh-huh.
landscape painting
That's one. That's one.
space,
Space after that.
landscape painting
That's one. Fighting?
fighting,
I think
fighting,
I think when you send me your video, you have to send me the text. Okay, next time when you send me your video, send me the text also. Okay, your answer, the written. Okay, so
yeah,
I can understand it better. Okay, right. So thank you for doing your homework. You use difficult words in your video. That's why you feel a bit, you got difficulty reading it. Please send me the text next time when you send me your homework. Okay? Send me the
yeah,
text, the paragraph that you did that you wrote. Okay? Send me also so I can see and I can guide you better with the pronunciation of the words. Okay? So I can guide you. So I can guide you next time. Okay? So I can guide you with the pronunciation. Okay, so thank you for doing your homework. Good job. But do you understand it? Do you understand your what you said in the video? Do you understand those things?
yes,
Yes.
I understand,
Okay,
yes,
that's good. That's good that you understand it. Yeah, it's better that you understand. All right, so let's practice some of the words here. Tourist. Tourist.
tourist, tourist,
Yeah, tour. Tour. Tourist.
tourist,
Tourist. Yes.
tourist,
Yeah, landscape. Landscape.
landscape,
Landscape.
landscape,
Landscape. All right.
landscape,
Flowing.
flowing,
Flowing.
flowing,
Yeah. Creates.
flowing,
Creates.
create, create,
Creates.
create,
Creates. Yeah, that's right. Good job.
create,
So don't forget. Yeah, so next time, don't forget to send me the text. All right, so yeah, now we will move on to our next lesson. Damn. So this is
yeah,
still on what page is this? Page 31. We are now on number 4. So you have to replace the adjectives in the sentences using well known, beautiful, busy, delicious, and high. Okay, so you have to read the text and change the bold words, the words in bold, the black words here. We call them words in bold. Do you understand it? Words in bold. It means It means they're black. They're darker. Words in bold. Um, I mean, wait a minute. We have bold or italic. We have bold or italic. We have italic. We have italic words, the words that are like this. So we have bold, they are black, they're darker.
Yeah.
Okay? Okay. All right. So all right. I hope that the go I hope Google Translate is correct. I hope the Google Translate is correct. Oh no. Sometimes it's difficult. Okay, so you have to replace the adjectives here in sentences using well-known, beautiful, busy, delicious, and high. Okay, so please read the text first and then change the words in bold. Okay, these are the words in bold. All right. Okay, so please read it. A shopper's dream.
A shopper's dream in Dongsuan Market.
This one. Mhm.
Uh, as everyone knows, this famous market in Hanoi is a very active market that is open uh, 24 hours a day. Shoppers can find almost almost everything, and the brings brings
Prices.
prices are not bad. Tourists can find nice handmade items at some
Items.
of
Items.
item item at some of the star
Stalls.
star and
Stalls.
store as well as enjoy nice local foods.
Good. All right. So let's read the words again. Famous. Famous.
Famous,
Everything.
famous,
Everything.
everything,
Yeah.
everything.
Yeah. We pronounce the word every a bit fast. Every. Every. Just two syllable. Every. Everything. So three syllables only. We don't say every. It's every. Okay? Every.
Everything, every
Prices. Prices.
prices,
Items. Items.
item,
Stalls, stalls, stalls,
stores,
stalls,
store,
stalls. Okay.
store,
All right. So now you have to change the words in bold using well-known, beautiful, busy, delicious, and high. Okay. So what should we change? How, or what should we use for the word famous? So what's the other word for famous?
famous,
Now, what is
uh,
famous? Famous
famous uh,
is it well known, beautiful, busy, delicious, or high? When something is famous, when something is famous, it means everyone knows it. Everyone knows it. When something is famous, for example, you is famous. I mean, sorry. If you are famous in school, it means everyone knows you.
mm,
All the students know you. So what is famous?
well known.
Well known. Yes, that's right. So well known, famous is well known. All right, two.
Mm,
It is very active market. What is active? It is a very active market that is open 24 hours a day. Active
mm,
is when something is active, it's always doing something. For example, a child. A child is very active. That child is always doing something. They're doing a lot of things. When you are doing a lot of things, you are
busy,
busy. Yes. When you are doing something, you're always active. You're doing a lot of things. You are busy. Yes, that's right. Number
busy,
3, shoppers can find almost everything, and the prices are not bad. The prices are not bad. So they're cheap. So when something is cheap, they're not. When something is cheap, something is not. The price is not.
mm, delicious,
No, the price is delicious. The price is delicious. Tam, the price is delicious. We don't eat the price.
high,
Hi. Yes, that's right. Hi. It says here, not bad. So it means not bad means not high. Not high, not bad, not high. So it's cheap, right? It's cheap, right?
cheap,
It's cheap
uh,
or not expensive. The price is not high. Okay? The price is not
yeah,
high. The price is not bad, not high. Okay? The price is not
yeah,
bad, not high, not expensive, so it's cheap.
exactly,
Right? Not expensive, so
yeah,
it's cheap. So we can say not high, not expensive, it's cheap, it's not bad. So we can use four things,
mm,
four words to describe a price. All right, tourists
tourists,
can find
no,
nice handmade items.
no,
So what is nice handmade items?
no, no,
So when something is nice, something is
beautiful,
beautiful. Yes, that's right. Beautiful. When something is nice, it's
beautiful,
beautiful. I like nice things. Do you like nice things? Yeah. Do you like
mm,
nice things? Do you like
yeah,
nice, beautiful things? Yeah, of course. We like nice things. I like nice bags, nice shoes, nice clothes, right?
mm,
All right. How about number 5? Yeah, this is another nice, but we don't say nice. We don't say beautiful food. What do we say with food? How do we describe? How do we describe nice food? When the food is nice, it means it's
delicious,
yes, that's right. So the when the food is nice, it means it's delicious. When the items or things are nice, when something is nice, it means it's good, it's beautiful, it's pretty. But when we talk about food, when the food is nice, it means it's delicious, it's tasty,
mm,
it's yummy, right?
mm,
Yes, okay. All right, so your answers are all correct. Don't forget. Oh, I will put it back. Okay, now I want you to read the text again. Read the text, but you have to use these words. Okay?
mm,
You have to read this again. Read the text again, but you have to use these words instead of these words. Okay?
yeah,
Okay, yeah, so I will remove
uh,
this. Okay. Please read again.
uh, a surfer swim in the ocean market.
Hmm.
Everyone knows this well-known market in Hanoi. It is a very busy market that is open 24 hours a day. Surfers can find almost almost air, everything, and the prices, prices are
Prices.
not
Yeah, that's right. The word is
prices,
prices.
prices are not uh, high. Tourists can buy mm, beautiful handmade items at some of the stores as well as enjoy um, delicious local foods.
Yes, that's right. All right, good job, Pam. So don't forget those words. Okay? Don't forget. Now your turn. So you have to answer the questions here, Sam. All right. So what is an interesting place you visited? Okay, so you can also talk about the place in Tacnom. So what is an interesting place you visited again? Have you answered this one in school? Have you answered this? Have you answered this one? Have you finished that activity in school? Have you finished this? Yes. Okay, so what's your answer? So, what is an interesting place you visited in Vietnam? What's your an interesting?
Mm,
Da Nang, right? Like that? Yeah, Da Nang is an interesting place. Have you ever been to Da Nang?
mm,
No, no, you haven't been there.
mm,
Okay, just tell me what's an interesting place you visited in Vietnam?
mm, Nha Trang.
Nha Trang, Nha Trang. So, what is
Mm,
Nha Trang? So, who did you go with?
uh, I go with a
I went
cousin.
cousins.
Cousin.
I okay. So the interesting place I visited was Nha Trang. How do you spell Nha Trang? N G
Nha Trang.
like that,
Mm, H. Uh,
like that,
Nha.
like that. Is that right? How do you spell it?
Mm, mm, mm.
Like that? N G H. Oh yeah, it's
No.
correct. This one,
She.
Nha Trang.
No, 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 no,
Not this one, not this one. Not Nha Trang.
no.
Okay, send it to me on chat. Oh, here.
He.
Oh, Nha Trang. So it doesn't have I, but why in Google it has that one? Okay. I visited was Nha Trang. I visited the interesting place I visited was Nha Trang. Okay. Mm-hmm. Who did you go with? I went there. I went there
His
with
cousin.
my cousin. Cousin, just
Yeah.
one. Just one. Just
Yeah.
with your cousin. Okay, you went there with your cousin. So what did you see in Nha Trang? We saw.
Um,
What did you see?
we saw um he he he's
Fish, fish,
now he
peach,
fish
peach, the fruit,
fish
the fruit.
now
What? What? What did you see?
fish fish fish
Beach. Ah, okay, you have to pronounce the b, beach,
b
beach.
beach
Yeah, we
Beach.
saw. So you swim. Did you go swimming?
Yeah.
Okay, how do you describe the beach? We saw the beautiful.
Beach.
What adjective can you use to describe the beach? We saw
Uh,
the beautiful beach. Maybe we can use the
yeah.
beautiful beach. Oh, there's a beach in Yatram. We saw the beautiful beach. What activities did you do? We went. Did you go swimming?
Yes.
We
I
went swimming.
swimming.
And what else?
Uh, eat
And
fish.
ate. We went swimming. You have to use the past tense because this is past. It's past. So we went swimming and ate. What food did you eat?
Mm,
Barbecue,
yeah.
noodles, ice
Um,
cream, corn, seafoods, shrimp, jellyfish.
yeah.
What did you eat and ate? What?
Fish.
Fish and ate
Chicken.
fish. Fish, okay,
Uh,
chicken, and what?
mm,
Seafoods? Seafoods?
yeah.
Yeah, okay, chicken
Seafood.
and seafoods. All right. I think seafood. Oh yeah, it's seafood only. How did you like it? How did you like it? How did you like it?
Uh, I like it. Uh,
I like the
I
place.
really,
Hmm?
I really love the trees
I really love the
and the tree
the
trip.
trees. The trip. Ah, okay, the trip. All right. So I think you need to improve this. Okay. So I want you to answer these questions again and think of another place. Okay. Think of another place. That will be your homework. Oh, where is it? Oh no. I put here. It should be grammar. Okay. And homework is here. Okay. So for your homework, so you have to think of another place you have visited in Vietnam. Then record a video um discussing about the things you did there and why you like it, why you enjoyed it. What? Disgusting. Yeah, yeah, yeah. There's no about the things you did there and why you enjoyed it. Do you understand this one, Tam?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. So don't forget that to send the text too. Okay, don't forget this to send the text. Okay, all right. So
Yeah.
that's the end of our lesson, Tam. I'll see you again on Wednesday. All right, goodbye. Have a
Mm,
nice day, Tam.
goodbye.
Yeah, and good job.
Yeah.
Stay.
Mm.
Goodbye.